Hello all, welcome to the Excitel broadband review. So I have been using this broadband in Hyderabad from the last 6 months and it is doing really well. So now I am going to do speed test from two different websites. So basically this is from speedtest.net website. As you can see, the plan which I have subscribed is 50 Mbps upload and 50 Mbps download, unlimited speed, and the monthly rent is around 750 rupees. So now we are going to see what download speed and upload speed it is going to give in real time, as opposed to the theoretical upload speed and download speed of 50 Mbps. So as you can see here, the download speed is only 16 Mbps, but the actual theoretical or the promised as per the connection plan is 50, but we are getting around 16. Likewise, the upload speed is 18, but the promised is 50 Mbps. So now we will be doing the same test from another website as well. I think Excitel is the only broadband in the entire country to provide higher upload speeds when compared to download speed. As you can see here, the upload speed is greater than download. Generally, if you see other broadband like Act FiberNet or SpiderNet or Hathway, you would be having higher download speed, but the upload speeds would be crumbling, whereas it's quite opposite in Excitel. So the other website also showed similar results, around 13 Mbps download speed, and the upload speed is around 17 Mbps. So we can clearly conclude that depending on the peak time of usage, there would be a lot of variation. So that's why I'm conducting the speed test one more time. Using speedtest.net. But overall, if you ask me, in my 6 months of usage, I felt this has very good. But the only one disadvantage I faced is whenever there is a power cut. Okay, not in my home, or say for example I have an inverter, so I can use inverter to power on my router. Whenever there is a power cut, so this Excitel broadband would be down. But such observation I made using Hathway broadband as well. In Hathway, even though if the power is not there, they used to power on their servers using backup generator or an inverter, so that even when there is no power in our home, of course using internet during power off situations might also be required sometimes. Maybe you are on a conference call, on office work, or any such important tasks. So if you do have a inverter at your home and you are able to turn on your Wi-Fi router using that inverter, then if you feel like you still want internet during power off conditions, then you should go for Hathway, because Hathway provides internet connectivity even then there is no power, because they used to power their servers using inverters. But unlike Hathway, in Excitel, whenever there is a power cut, there is no internet connectivity. So the download speed and upload speed are maybe 30% of what is promised, but these are decent enough and sufficient to download movies, to watch YouTube videos, to play games. To subscribe to our channel, to watch Hathway broadband review, click on the link given in the description.